Namaste. Let's design a DCV regulator for 3.7 volt to 12 volt output using LM317. So this is the circuit in the question. So this is the circuit. We have VI, V0, R1 and R2. So how do we calculate R1 and R2? We use this formula. V0 is equals to Vref 1 plus R2 by R1. We know the V reference voltage is 1.25 for LM317. So we rearrange this, then we get R2 is equals to R1 V0 by 1.25 minus 1. Now let's assume what is given in the question. So V0 is equals to 3.7 volt, R2 is equals to 1.96 R1. So how this comes is uh, R2 is equals to R1 R1. We put the value of B naught, which is 3.7 volt. 3.7 divided by 1.25, 1.25 minus 1. After calculating this, the constant is 1.96. The value we get is 1.96. Similarly, the value of R2 R2 we get in similar manner. We first put the value of V naught, which is 12 volt, 12 by 1.25 minus 1, which is equals to 8.6. This constant is equals to 8.6. Now let's move on to calculating the value of R2. We assume that R1 is equals to 10 kilo ohm. We can take any value of R1 from 1 to 10, but the value of R1, the bigger values are suitable. So I have chosen R1 is equals to 10. For V0 is equals to 3.7 volt, R2 is equals to 19.6 kilo ohm. So how this comes is R2 is equals to R1 times the constant, which is 1.96. This we get by calculating calculating from the previous values, that V0 by putting 3.7 instead of V0. So R2 is equals to 19.6 and 19.6 kilo ohm, and for V0 is equals to 12 volt, we get R2 is equals to 86 kilo ohm, and we have got all the values. So the final figure is like this: Vi, V0, R1 and R2. Thank you.